Hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to define the domain and range from its graph, right? So let me put down the definition of a domain. So a domain of a graph, so this is a projection of the graph on the x-axis, and the range would be the same projection. So it's going to be the projection of the graph on the y-axis. All right. Okay, so what the meaning of a projection is just simply the shadow. So if I'm going to do the projection of the axis, so the projection is going to be vertical. All right. So your target is this axis over here, right? So if I project the graph, this point is going to be projected as a shaded point, and then all of this is shadowed. The same thing, the shadow is going to be vertical from above all the way here. Now because of this one is open, it's going to be open. All right. Now the graph as well had this part in it, so it's going to be again the shadow over here. So everything is shaded here. However, since this one is open, it's going to be open as well. All right. And from this side is open as well, right? So it's going to be open circle there. So the shaded part, it will start from -4 all the way to -2. Both of them are open. And then restart from -2. It's going to go all the way to 3, and 3 is closed. So the domain, I can say, is going to be equals open -4 to -2 open, and then union -2 all the way to 3. However, in 3 is going to be closed. Now the range, it should be the same thing. So instead of doing it on the x-axis, we're gonna project it on the y-axis over here, right? Okay, so let's get into it. So this part here is going to be rich at 4. This is shaded. Although this one is open, but this one is shaded, so it's going to be shaded. All right. So it's going to be including shading area all the way to this point. It's going to be -5. So add this part from -5 to 4 is shaded. Now the graph restart again at -6, and here you're going to be open interval, and from here you're going to be open interval, and the part in between is shaded. All right. Okay, so the range, we're going to go back to the range. We're going to start always from the smallest number to largest. So I'm going to start with -7 first, open, comma, -6, open, and then I'm going to put the other part, which is starting with -5, and -5 is closed, and you're going to go all the way to 4, and 4 is closed. All right, so again, the right choice, it should be, I think, the B. All right. Okay, so the best choice is going to be B, although E has the same domain but has a different range. So you needed to do both of them, domain and range.